It's a new 2018 Chevrolet Silverado 1500. Built to keep up with the rugged demands of your life, this Silverado 1500 is strong, safe, and comfortable. It's equipped for all your driving needs and wants. Streaming audio, power heated mirrors, front heated and ventilated leather bucket seats, auto-dimming rearview mirror, auto-dimming mirrors, heated steering wheel, automatic transmission, trailer brake controller, electronic shift on the fly, and V8 engine. Edmunds.com reports the Silverado pickup is just as adept at serving as the weekday family car as it is at transporting home improvement supplies or towing a boat on the weekends. In a Chevy, the journey matters more than the destination. Someone is going to drive this fantastic vehicle off the lot. It should be you. Test drive it today.
Welcome to Herb Connolly Chevrolet, part of the Herb Connolly Automotive Group, where the customer comes first. We are conveniently located just off Route 9 East at 350 Wooster Road.